Huh? Okay. So this circuit that we can use, or this is the practical diode detector circuit here. Again, just like as in the in envelope detector, we can observe that is the AM signal. जसं की आपण इथे बघितलं बघा, इथे पण आपण AM सिग्नल बघितला होता आणि मग त्या AM सिग्नल मधून आपण काय केलं, वी कॅन जनरेट or recover back our original input signal or the message signal. Okay, so through this waveform you can observe that. So the first, this is called as that is the amplitude modulated signal, and the second waveform that you can be observed here, this is our original signal. ओके, ह्या सिग्नल मधून आपण काय केलं, हा सिग्नल काय केला, पुन्हा रिकवर बॅक केला. ओके, बाय युझिंग द इन्व्हलप डिटेक्टर. Okay, now the second type of the detection method, or to recover the original signal, the second method that we can use, that is called as a practical diode detector, and the circuit that we can observe here, the circuit is that is the practical diode detector circuit. So again, at the input side we can observe that is the AM signal, and this AM signal we can transfer to this transformer. So the transformer will be transfer the signal to the detector diode here. So here the purpose of the practical diode detector circuit is that the diode that we can be observed here, the diode has been reversed particularly, and the function of the diode, or why we can why we can use the diode in the reverse bias condition, because the negative slope of the cycle means when the cycle is comes into the positive, complete the positive half cycle and start to the negative. So from this negative half cycle we can recover our original signal. Okay, so here the practical diode detector we can use for particularly to recover the negative envelope signal, or demodulate the negative envelope signal. Okay, so the AGC voltage that we can be used here, AGC means automatic gain control circuit, that we can be developed by using that is the resistor R1 and the resistor R2. So here on the screen you can observe that the resistor R1 and the R2. ओके, सो हियर जे पेन्सिलने मी तुम्हाला हे दोन दाखवतोय, R1 and the C1, they both the components, that is the resistor 1 R1 and the C1 that we can use to remove the ripple. I can explain here, I can write here, that is LPF. LPF means low pass filter circuit, that we can be used here to recover that is the, or to remove that is the ripple from the demodulated signal. When you can demodulate the signal, particularly you can first upon remove the ripple. And how we can remove the ripple, we can use that is the LPF circuit, that means low pass filter circuit, that we can use here, and the combination of these low pass filter circuit is that is the R1 and the C1. Okay, so R1 and the C1 we can use here to recover that is the, or to remove the ripple. Then the capacitor C2 that we can be observed here, this is called as the prevent capacitor, and this prevent capacitor that we can be used to coupling the capacitor, which will be also called as, and it will be generate the DC output voltage. Here I will be write down that is the prevent DC capacitor, and this capacitor we can use for to reaching the DC voltage or generate the DC voltage by controlling that is the knob or the pot. Okay, then the resistor R4 that we can be observed here, this resistor R4 is called as that is the volume control knob or volume control pot, and these volume control knob or the pot that we can be used, that means all the demodulated signal that we can be recover here, all the demodulator means exactly the demodulation is done across the resistor, that is the R4. Okay, then the resistor R3 and the C3, then the resistor R3 and the capacitor C3 is again we can use here. Yes, on your screen you can observe that is the resistor R3 and the C3. Both these are called as that is the low pass filter, again just same like as in the R1 and the C1. The resistor R3 and the C3 is again that is the low pass filter circuit that we can use to remove the काय AF. आपण कशासाठी रिमूव्ह काय करणार, आपण जे काही एक्स्ट्रा जे काही व्होल्टेज आपल्यामध्ये आलेलं असेल ते एक्स्ट्रा व्होल्टेज आपण काय करणार आहे, रिकवर करणार आहे किंवा रिमूव्ह करणार आहे, आणि मग एक्झॅक्टली आपल्याला काय होणार आहे, द डिमॉड्युलेशन प्रोसेस इज डन across this AGC output. Here you can observe that is the AGC. AGC means automatic gain control. की जिथे त्याचा गेन पण कंट्रोल होईल. गेन कंट्रोल होणं म्हणजेच काय, एक्स्ट्रा जे काही व्होल्टेज असेल किंवा करंट असेल ते कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला काय करावं लागतं, that is the AGC circuit that we can be used here. So the automatic gain control circuit we can use here, and these automatic gain control circuit will be recover the original signal from the practical envelope diode detector. लक्षात आलंय?